Good boy. All right, hold on a second. No, come on. Hold on. Good boy. I gotta go turn off that water. I think I'll just take him with me. What's wrong with a little bit of... Side work. Swing your bum. Alright, back up. Back, good boy. And I need to let that drain really good so we can use it again. Alright. Yeah, buckets mean treats. Huh, buckets mean treats. When we first got him, he couldn't figure out how to go around you. He couldn't figure out how to go around you and then tip his butt. He's gotten a lot better now, but I still want him back. I want him to be better about not invading your space. Good boy. And he's really good and gentle. He doesn't fight against the rope. But you can always tell when he's ready to be ridden, because he really tips his head in really good at that point, and he's like, okay, I'm done with circles. Can we go ride now? Because riding is easier than lunging. Keep going. Because he tries really, really hard to give you what you want. And so I try really hard to be careful of the way that I ask him and how much I ask of him. But usually if he's not doing what I want, it's because he doesn't know what I want. Hold on. Good boy. Boy. Okay, give me your head. And this way, maybe these halters, I think the horses come and play with them. I think they come and play with them. And I don't really want them down in the mud. So we'll put them like that. All right, there we go. A good day of riding for me. I really needed it. I needed to get outside, get some exercise. Good for the horses. I mean, if you look at a horse like you do a house, which is that you keep the maintenance up so that if you ever did need to sell it, you could get your best value out of it. Horses are the same way. If you don't go out and ride them and you spend a lot of money on them, then you lose that money, because if you ever had to sell, you couldn't. You could, at least not for what you paid for them. And unlike a house and unlike a car, horses increase in value the more you do with them up to a certain age. And people are still willing to pay a good amount of money for a good kid's horse, even if they're not young anymore, even if they're not fancy. A good, well-trained kid's horse is always worth their weight in gold.